Good morning, subscribers. Welcome to the daily pre-market analysis. Starting with on the Nifty, again we saw a lackluster day yesterday. Probably till 1 p.m. markets went trending, at the lower levels. We saw a huge comeback post 2 p.m. towards 3 p.m. And in the end, last 30 minutes, we saw some selling pressure coming into back into the markets. But in the end, we managed to close just 5 points positive. Well, most importantly, if I just look at the yesterday session, we have hit new highs as well. So previous day high was taken off, which was 17,356. We have hit 17,390, which is now the higher high again on a structure. So yes, the trend still seems to be bullish as of now. And there is a talk in the town that RSI is in extreme overbought into onto the daily chart. Yes, if you look at the RSI in the lower year panel, it is into the overbought, but yes, we haven't seen such kind of the momentum turning out to be the bearish. Now, if I just compare it with the same, let me put over here. When RSI was the similar levels, we saw, if you look at the rally over here, since then it went higher. If you look at the RSI over here, when it was trending higher, look at the rally which was there. Again, if I just look at the RSI, which is still, but if you look at the momentum, we are back into the bullish structure. So look at this RSI, when RSI was trending into the overbought zone, and still the Nifty continued to rally. So I guess in if I go back below before 2020 as well, look at this RSI over here. Still RSI was there, it went higher, RSI went higher. So yes, looking at the RSI into overbought zone, markets don't give a damn to the overbought RSI on daily charts. Yes, they may at some point of in time react to the RSI, but yes, at current point in time, when the trend is bullish after a range, and now look at this structure over here. After a range, it broke out, and even though RSI was on the daily chart over here, after a range, it broke out. So similar structure has been happening. After a range, we are breaking out. So I think still momentum is very bullish, and we are about 200 days average. Yes, this will act as a major resistance as of now, 17,700 levels. But till then, I think we should definitely look for a bullish bias. Even yesterday we discussed that the hourly levels, hourly chart where 17,200, 17,280 was a good buying zone. We made a low of 216, 215.85, and we head higher towards 17,390. Yes, this will act as a major support role now. So this momentum gap area plus the breakout and the momentum which hold over here will be a key support area for today's as well. So keep a watch on this zone. 17,200, 17,250 being again. And if you look at the SGX Nifty, it's indicating a positive opening of around 49 points. 17,375 is the current levels which has been trading at. One chart I want to highlight over here is the S&P, which is again trending at a slight resistance zone. And if you're following me Telegram, I have posted that chart in Telegram last night. Let me pull that chart for you. Yes. Okay, yeah. So yeah, this is the chart which where the S&P 500 is trending at a minor resistance zone. Uh, Let me remove this and get back to yes, yeah. So if I just look at this green line, if you look at this green line, it is the support which was holding. It will now act as a resistance zone. Fibonacci of 4637 to the low of 3636. 50% is again the retracement level, plus 200 EMA is again at the same price of 4186, 4187, and there is a bearish harmonic. So probably I believe 4200 will be a key resistance area for S&P once that is taken out. And if we look at the Nifty, which is outperforming by a big margin against the SPX. So if you look at the momentum is yes, trending very bullish onto the positive side. So at current point in time, when the reversal has happened in last few days, Nifty is outperforming against the S&P 500 and even against the, if I just look at the Dow Jones, it is outperforming over there as well. So if you look at the structure, we have breaking out of the triangle structure on Nifty to Dow Jones, which indicates that Nifty is again the leader into the Asian space. And again, if I compare with the Dow Jones, it's getting a huge outperformance. So yes, Nifty stands out to be a better position than the Dow Jones and S&P. And yes, S&P is find the resistance 4200 be taken out. We may see push onto the Nifty as well to head higher. But yes, keep in mind 17700, 17800 will be a key hurdle for bulls. Now coming on to the bank Nifty, yes, the structure seems to be very bullish. 36,000, 37,600 will be acting as a major support now. 37,600, 37,500, and I'm eyeing at again, as I said, 38,500, 38,600 can be on cards for the bank Nifty onto the higher levels, and definitely keep a hold onto the positions. If you remember, we have discussed auto index last week where it was markets were correcting, it was slightly dipping over here, and I've highlighted during this time when it was retracing that 12,000, 12,100 could be a good area to go long. We made a low of somewhere around 12,200, and it is been trending much at a faster pace now. So Maruti have led, M&M have led, Tata Motors have led, Ashok Leyland has led. Even two wheelers are leading into the auto space. So yes, auto seems to be very attractive space. Comparing with the likes of M&M and Maruti, even Tata Motors, if you look at. So yes, overall structure seems to be bullish where for the markets. But yes, for an intraday, keep a look for entry into bandwidth falls around 17,250, 17,270 levels. Again, the stop loss would be 17,100 or below for an intraday. But if I just look at for a positional trader, as I said, if you know, I follow Hekenashi stop losses level, and if I just move on to the stop losses level for Hekenashi. Yes. So as of now, if I just keep a stop loss 17,000, yes, this was the 17,090 is the current level, which is a trend change level for Nifty, because we are looking at consistently a bigger candle where the trend is getting stronger and stronger. So keep a watch on intraday momentum. Yes, seems to be bullish. Minor resistance 17,400. Hurdle, major hurdle 17,700. Keep a look for a long between 17,250, 17,260. 17,100 for intraday trader as a stop loss. 17,080 for a swing trading as a stop loss. Signing off and have a profitable day.